What up? It is Joey here from the Bro Channel. I am really glad you liked our other video. I'm blown, actually.
Me too.
Yeah, Aiden's doing something. Well, in this video, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to see how loud. Aiden's going to be joining us. He's going to be drinking milk because he doesn't like soda, apparently. And
Shut up!
I'm going to introduce this new soda
It's not
that
new.
I am drinking.
He's been drinking it for a long time.
Well, I'm going to introduce it to the burping vid.
It's Diet Mountain Dew. No.
This beautiful, awesome mountain.
No. You don't need to show Mountain Dew.
The Mountain Dew, you know, it's the special Mountain Dew.
You don't need to show Mountain Dew, boy.
Let's see if it has a J on it.
You don't need to show people Mountain Dew. Everyone knows.
It's diet. I'm pretty mad it's diet, but well, here we go. We're gonna go one by one, and Aiden's gonna go first. Okay,
Oh, I'm terrible.
here he is. And tell us which one you think is louder.
Nope.
Just drink more milk. Just drink. That's a good one. Alright, okay, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Okay, guys, it's his turn.
So I'm just opening my Mountain Dew. You know. Stupid. Just to tell you, I'm in 8th grade and Aiden's in 7th grade.
Yeah. We're looking at you in the TV reflection. Okay, now. I know who beat. I know who won.
Okay, that's first round. We can all vote I won. Okay, here's round 2.
Okay.
Here he is. He's the man. He's the man. Man's. Drink. He's letting the whole thing come out.
It wasn't good. I guess Joey won that.
Aiden is gonna go find another drink.
I'm out.
So, while he's going to do that, I'm gonna tell you some things you probably would want to hear. Here, I'm just gonna sit down in my nice. Sorry. I'm gonna sit down in this nice chair. Okay, guys, we have a malfunction. This will be a part, there's gonna be 3 parts in this episode. So, watch again, and you guys know I was louder. But, subscribe and keep those numbers going. Bye.